Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer money from Capital One to another bank. So let's get started. So to do that, you have to follow this easy step. Just go it here. Then we will go to Capital One it here. Go to capitalone.com and then we can see it here. Then you can directly click on sign in, and after signing in you can go into your account and you can click on transfer, and then it will be you have to fill the details and your transfer will be done. So this is how to transfer the money from Capital One to other bank. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for your watching.